From the main screen, select Line Settings to open the production line parameter page. To change the production line name, tap the line name field. Enter the required name and confirm the entry. Open Speed Mode and select the mode used by the production line. In this example, fixed speed is selected. Tap Line Speed, enter the required production. Speed with the numeric keypad, and save the value. Select the trigger to print head distance. Enter the measured distance, and confirm the setting. Open Line Direction and select the direction that. Matches the actual movement of the production line. Tap Print Head Height. Enter the actual installation height, and save the value. Select Advanced to view additional production line parameters. Tap the required item and enter the correct value for the installation. Review the advanced settings carefully. Modify only the parameters required for the current production line, then confirm each entry. After checking all values, return to the Line Settings page and then to the main screen. The production line parameter setup is now complete.